Hello everyone. I am so privileged to be able to share with you all my ASL translation for the song Lift Every Voice and Sing by James Weldon Johnson. I'm going to go over the signs with you and do it in slow method so that you can pick it up, and then at the end I will actually sign the song for you. Okay, let's begin. Are you ready? Okay, lift every voice and sing. We are signing express music. Now let's break it down. The sign for express at the chest. 1, 2, 3. Music. Music. Till earth and heaven rings. Until earth, heaven rings. Okay, let's slow it down. Until. Take the index finger right on the shoulder and do a flip-flop. Just turn it upside down. Until. Earth, non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, a C position, see that? Put it on top of the fist and move it around. This sign means earth. The sign for heaven, just think of the sky. Sky. Notice I 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sky. Okay? Feel. The index finger, not the index finger, the middle finger. See that? Over the heart. Flip it. Just flick up. Okay, that means feel. So just kind of do a motion, upward motion for emotions. Feel. Now connect. You're going to end up in this position, coming together, but you're going to do it in the sky. Back up a little bit in the sky. You see it? So your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, is going up and reaching to the sky and making that connection. Do you see it? Connect. Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Ring. Feel. Integrated. Heaven again. And then liberty. Let's break it down. Feel. Remember the 8 position, the middle finger. Flick. Integrate. Put your hands up like this. Open the fingers wide. And you're going to bring them together like that. So my right hand, I'm right-handed, is going to be on the bottom. And my non-dominant hand, left hand, is on the top. This sign means to integrate. Okay, heaven, heaven, freedom or liberty. Notice the head goes down and then up. Okay. Next part is let our rejoicing rise high as the glistening skies. So we're saying our expressions excite. Let's stop there for a moment. Break it down. Here's a C. Thumb on the right side of the body if you're right-handed. Bring it around where the pinky finger now touches the chest. Our. Sign express. Excite. Excite is the 8 position. And you're doing circular motions. You're doing circular motions going upward, not downward, but upward. Excite. So, let our rejoicing rise. When we get to high as the listening skies, we're saying high as for heaven. We're saying actually inspire, wiggle up to heaven. So the sign for inspire, we're going to do a closed O. See that? See the O? Like that. You're going to bring it down in front of the body. And you're going to wiggle the fingers up to show inspiration. High as heaven. Remember that sign from earlier? Let it resound. Let it resound. We're actually signing will. Notice the flat hand by the side of the face and bring it out. Will continue. Thumbs push out. So the thumbs come together, then you push out. It'll continue forever. Okay? That's loud as the rolling seas. That's all you're doing for that sentence. Loud as the rolling seas. Okay? So that first part, we have lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the glistening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling seas. And then extend it further. Okay. Next part. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Okay. Express for sing a song. We know that part from the beginning. So sing a song. Full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. So let's break it down. Believe. Index finger by the forehead, the side of the temple. Marry. What your thoughts that come together represent your beliefs. Belief. Belief. Next sign, past. Throw it behind you. Past. Past. This sign means it's a memory etched on your forehead, and in your memory is traumatic. So I'm doing a modified X. Notice how it's bent. And I'm just etching it in my forehead. So go across your whole forehead. Okay? Those experiences have taught us. So this is a sign for teach. Remember that closed O. Okay? So by the temple, push out, teach, and then scan the room to show us, all of us out there. Okay? And then we say, sing a song full of the faith. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. So, express, music, full of the hope. Full of the hope that the present has brought us. So let's break it down. So remember we had the express sign. We know that. Music. Now the sign go. Go. I aspire to accomplish and achieve and reach that point. So you have one finger, you're non-dominant here, you're dominant here, and is striving to reach that goal. Notice I didn't touch it or go past it. Go. Okay? Go. So go, and then hope. Give me 2 5s, closed 5s. Now the dominant hand, which is my right hand, is going to turn towards me, like it's waving bye-bye to me. And this hand is going to wave bye-bye to it. So we're saying the past and the present represents hope. Okay? Hope. And you just do one bye-bye. Hope. Unless the beat allows us to do 2. Hope. Okay? Good job. The sign for now. Now. Notice the Y. Turn it upside down toward the ceiling and drop it twice. Now. Did we do happen? Happen. Happen is, give me a number 1. Turn it up toward the ceiling. And now you're just going to turn your wrist downward. 2 beats. Happen. See it? Happen. Us. Scan the room. Okay? So let's go from sing a song. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. And then we're already here. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Moving on. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. So, facing the rising sun. So let's break that down and slow it down. We're signing struggle. So your index finger, your dominant hand turns in, your non-dominant hand turns in, and your dominant hand is leading. Struggle, like a circular motion. Struggle. Toil, 2 fists, S positions, and notice the knuckles. They strike down on the chin. That's toil, and we're pushing the struggle and the toil aside. Push it aside. Okay? Of a new day begun. Now, new day. We're going to advance. Okay, so let's slow it down. Of a new, the sign new is scoop. So you have your 2 palms facing up. Your dominant hand is kind of in a bye-bye position, and you're going to scoop up. That means new. Okay? New. Day, this is the letter D. And you're going to put the fist at the elbow and drop the D down, showing all day. Day. Advance. This day is starting, we're advancing on, we're moving on. So this is your closed 5 positions, bye-bye. Turn them sideways, come towards your body, and push out. Advance. Go ahead. Okay? March, let us march on. This is a number 4. Bring the feet down to the floor. Your dominant hand is pushing forward the other. Okay? March. Notice these legs look like people marching behind each other. Okay? March. Protest. So notice I'm in an S position, but I brought my head down and up with a serious look because I'm protesting. I'm against whatever it is that is negative. Until, continue, I'm going to continue to march and protest. Continue, remember that? Continue until I take it. This means to earn. This is the victory I'm taking. Until I earn victory, success. So the success is the 1 position at the chin, loop-de-loop. Right here, success. You see it? Famous, success. Got it? Okay, so we're going to put it together.